When Biwag was born, his mother was visited by an exceptionally beautiful woman who silently admired the baby.
Oh my God, it's coming out!
When it dawned on the child's mother that her visitor was a goddess, she knelt and implored her child with long life. The goddess made no reply, but instead she placed 3 small stones around the neck of the baby.
Please, bless my son with a long life. I'm begging you. Please.
She placed the 3 stones without any reply. At the age of 12, he could go faster than the wind. He could uproot a big beetle nut as if it were a wood. In the town of Tuwao, he fell in love with a young lady with unsurpassed beauty. No one could tell where this lady came from, nor could anyone say who this lady was. There was another young man from Malawi called Malana, who was gifted with powers similar to that of Biwag. One day, a devastating typhoon destroyed all the crops of Malawi. Their only hope of starving off came from a very distant place, Santo Niño. It was very difficult and dangerous to journey the place, because the river to cross was wide and full of crocodiles. Malana volunteered to take the journey. He loaded cabins of pallet to 7 bamboo rafts. One day, Biwag visited the lovely lady. He told the lady he will prove to her that Malana was unworthy of her love. Biwag challenged Malana.
I've been searching for you all this time, and now I finally found you. I want you to be mine.
Thank you for your love, Biwag. But I don't want you. All I want is Malana.
It is not right. I will never accept it. Malana is not the best for you. I challenge you, Malana. Fight me. Where are you? Fight me, Malana.
The day of the duel was controversial. The news spread fast, and by mid-afternoon and the outlying hill were blanketed with men.
You're so weak, Malana. I'm gonna kill you. Ah! Did you know that I have another one? Die, Malana! Die! Nothing left, Biwag. And now, it's my turn.
Biwag leaped into the river and emerged with the biggest crocodile under his arm.
And now that it's clearly proven that you're stronger than Biwag, I will choose you over him.
The beautiful woman gave her blessings to the people below, then flew with Malana in the freedom of the air and the clouds where she knew be.
Baby shark doo-doo.
I've been searching for you all this time, and now I finally found you. All I want you to be is mine. Oh my God. That is not right. I will never accept it. Malana is never... That is not right. I will never accept it. Malana is not for... Did you ever know that I have...
Ang shook.
Mamaya doy.
Walang